I got this information on Sunday that our nomad had found um, 40 yak, around 40 yak Indian side, the Zomulong Valley, which is a grazing area of Damchok. And this is second time that they found the Tibetan Chinese side yak in Indian side. And earlier they sent back from the valley, and this side again they found in the Zomulong, and they thought it is intentionally doing from the other side. That way they kept for one day, and today they release from Damchok with the very amicable way, which is very good gesture, and we should follow the tradition, because livestock cross border frequently, and they should return our lives, return the yak. But unfortunately, few years back, our nomad had lost many yaks to other side, but they did not send back, return back. Um, and the nomads did not get any compensation for their loss, uh, which is big loss for a nomads, those who totally depend on the livestock, and it is their livelihood. Uh, so government should set a very positive mechanism to return both sides.